Good morning. This is Nathan David with Allendale's Morning Wake Up Call. Today is Monday, November 6th. So far here in the overnight session, corn and beans are higher while wheat is handing back some of last week's gains. So hopping right into the corn, it's up right now about 2 cents to 4.79 and a quarter on the December contract. We did see a strong close to last week's corn trade, bouncing off that 4.68 level, which did come within a tick of a perfect double bottom down there at 467 and three quarters, which is also the yearly low there in that December contract. So we'll see if we have enough buying and what the WASI numbers read here on Thursday to potentially take us near that $495 level again here, which is more of your upper resistance level here at the top of that range. So CFTC data did show that the funds were sellers of around 44,000 contracts of corn, which is likely what was able to help push us to that current double bottom that we have formed. So shifting gears over to the beans, man, up 14 cents here to 13.66 in January, continuing to find some buying after a strong close on Friday that saw us take out the previous top end of the range down near around 13.30. So if we can continue to see some nice exports, this bean market may continue to catch a bid, really given the current tightness in ending stocks. We also continue to monitor potential weather patterns down there in South America, which will really start, affecting production numbers here in about 3 to 4 weeks. So meal continues also to show some strength as well and has really helped buoy the beans higher here in the last 2 weeks. That meal oil spread also continuing to widen as the bean oil really has been the laggard of the complex. So quickly jumping over into livestock, cattle and feeders did see a minor pullback to close there on Friday, still well off the recent low and the weekly low. Cash cattle steady to a little higher on the week. Box beef really has been kind of all over the place recently, and that is at this point the key point of emphasis here to see if demand can continue to hold up here, and see if we can't build from that liquidation cycle that we saw the last about 4 weeks. So looking over at the macros, stock market slightly higher after a vicious rally starting last Wednesday, with the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ all coming right up near the resistance levels here. So massive move in the bond market as well, with rates dropping in a big way since Wednesday, and you got crude a little over a buck higher here. So really continuing to see a risk-on mentality that you've seen since last Wednesday, after Powell spoke. So we'll see if that holds up here as we wrap up the week, and make sure to tune in for Tuesday's wake-up call.